What we hope is by leaving a spotless environment, others will also see how pristine it is and not litter as well. My name is Keilem and I was born in Hong Kong. I founded EcoMarine in 2012 and our mission is to get people to get in touch with nature and to take guardianship of nature. So to do that, we have a lot of different types of events to try to reach different people. One of our focus areas is actually adventure and sports. So today, we're really happy to be conducting a bicycling cleanup. And right now it's COVID and it's a bit difficult, but we still want to do our part and take care of the environment. In fact, because of COVID, many people have been going to the countryside and camping and picnicking, and unfortunately they've been leaving a lot of their litter behind. I'm finding a lot of things like pizza boxes, beer cans, Coke, potato chips, and many tissues and cigarette butts. I've been doing beach cleanup as well as underwater cleanup for around 10 years now. And often people are always saying, oh, where is this rubbish from? We even find Coke bottles from 30 years ago, from US. I always say that it's definitely like human and man-made rubbish, and we all play a part, because I'm sure my litter is also ending up somewhere in the ocean. We're really happy to have many cyclists come to help us today, and what they're doing is they're cycling and they're coming at different times during the morning so that we can have some social distancing, and they arrive in groups of 1 or 2, and then they do a little bit of cleanup, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and then they leave and continue their cycling. And by doing that, by the end of the morning, we actually will have a great result, and we'll be picking up hundreds of kilograms of rubbish, and we are expecting around 50 or more cyclists. The difference right now is that because of the pandemic, there's a lot of local travel, and right now we are not exactly at a beach location. This trash is on the roadside near the ocean and has not yet entered the ocean. So this is local litter from locals, and there is really no one to blame except ourselves. So it's great to take a more positive step instead of pointing fingers, just to come out here and enjoy a healthy activity, a little bit of adventure and exploring, cycling, and then doing a little bit of cleanup. And the difference is remarkable. I can already see it's so much cleaner. EcoMarine and the projects we do are quite personal, and for example, I love sports. So I organize a lot of sports and cleanup. So my message to everyone is that you should really try to do something, whatever it is, whether it's big or small, in the area that works for you, where you can make impact, and also where you have influence. So everyone has a part to play.